Hi! Today is March 20, the day after Bikoy's birthday. It's Saturday around 12:30 p.m. I'm here to video the outside of the house, the terrace, starting from this spot and then going inside until we reach the newly made kitchen. Ah, Oo, bibidyo kita. Okay, our video starts now. Ano? Ano? Here is the staircase or what they call terrace. Look, may mga tiles na over here. Pero dito sa side wala pa. Okay. I'm going up now. Okay. Those are my slippers. This is it. Ayan. This part ay wala pang tiles, which is yet to be decided. That's it. Pakita ko muna sa inyo yung SM. That's it. Right here. I don't know if you could see the SM name. Okay. And then going to the left.
Videoan niya ang pagpapalit ng tsinelas.
Mamaya. That's it. Hi, Jake. Jake, huwag mong guguluhin. This is the main door,
Akan ng mga aso.
which I used to video.
Here's siya. I think
On the left
si
is
Virgin
a
Maria.
picture of Mama Mary and is this.
And paging ako.
Okay, I'm going inside now.
Sama
As I used to video.
Siyempre si mama ako.
This is on
This is the
the
gulong.
right side. Going
This is
to the
Kuya
left.
Raps
Jakey!
rainbow cup.
Going to the left. This is where the staircase is.
With the new hawakan.
The left, the right window. Look at the sun.
Ama, look at the stairs. And
Up there.
look at the...
Yan nga yan.
Look at...
It's a staircase. I'm not going to video the upstairs because
Sabi nga yun.
there's actually no change yet.
Will they paint the stairs?
Yes, later on.
What color? Video the PS.
This is the spot under the stairs where temporarily
Because there's
yung
no
mga
cabinet
gamit ni
yet.
Ma ay stored.
The thing is, if Ma...
Wala pang cabinet. That's why
There's echo.
they have to stay there temporarily. Ay, naku, may mga damit na naman doon. Mga kalat ni Bikoy. Siya, ayusin mo nga yun. That's my bag. Ewan ko kung bakit nakaganito to. Siya, ibalik mo nga ang mga ito.
Hindi kasi ako.
Humiga ka. Oh, sige.
Yung upuan ni Ma. Videoan niya ako sa magda.
Pabalik niyo maubusan yung charge siya.
Oo. Oh, that is the bed of Ma na kabibili lang. Sabi niya, each time na gusto niyang matulog, hihiga na lang. Because temporarily again, wala pa siyang bed sa taas. Dito muna siya. Dahil silang dalawa lang ni Rap ang nag-stay dito. And 2 children. Si Choy Choy at saka si Dangdang. Okay. Let's take a closer look. So that's the bathroom.
Kuya Rap is taking a bath with GM.
Rap! Nanano ka, Ken? Nanano ka, Ken? Nino? Nino!
GM.
IJM.
Giniginaw.
Ayan. Giniginaw si JM. Ah.
Shower.
Wait, I'm going to close the door. That was the back door. Used to be the back door. Now it's not the back door anymore. It's the door leading to the kitchen. Open the door, Jakey. Yeah, open the door.
Please search in YouTube Jakey Pogi.
Thank you. Okay. It's not painted yet, but it's already made up. The screens are not made yet. That's it.
Chair of
Chair.
the food.
Presko dito because the ceilings are insulated. Sinabi ko, pag palalagyan ng insulation para hindi mainit yung ceiling nila.
Dito.
Ayan yung table, a small table. Ayan, naka-tiles na
And
siya.
I'm standing. I am the king of the ring.
And
Hey YouTube.
over here,
Hey Twitter.
Jaylee.
Hey Facebook.
Jakey, sandali lang. Ako serious ako dito, ha?
Yeah.
Ayan.
Hey YouTube.
That's another sink. I prefer to do the kitchen work here rather than the other sink because there's fresh air coming from outside and it's cool and roomy. That's it. This is the window where the CR is. And si Ma nasa labas. It's 12:30 p.m. pero nagwawalis siya. Tuk na kang mamalis gan po ta manuno ka.
Ayun na. Anong nunugin?
Ano nga lang nuno? Oh,
Asa si Kuya Sean?
nandyan sa labas.
Hoy.
Ayan yung corner. Wala pang bakod. Makatakot. Karang mana ako. O nano? Potang kain nano?
Potang kay parinan keng manibat keta. Ang makanyan.
Nano
black.
Oh, para?
Saka kay parinan simiento. Saka ko pakatletang orchids ko din.
Ah, orchids.
Saka
Naligo
magpapanawan.
na yung aso mo.
Oh,
Naligo na yung aso mo.
wapin.
Ilan na? Kaya ako nangawa.
Let's take a closer look at the buko. There are the buko ready to be opened. Ayun yung langka nila. The langka tree. There. Ayun yung bunga ng langka. Bunga ng langka. Over there. Jakey, will you please take a closer look at the video? How many minutes did I already take? Ayan yung buko. Ito pa, another langka.
Nagwayo man din.
Siya din ng mga ilang minutes na to? Dito sa red.
8.
8 na? Okay. I should stop this at 10 minutes.
Yung chinelas ko nga pala.
Ay,
Kuya
Sean.
pakuha nga. Kuya pakuha doon sa
That is the
stairway.
outside.
Ay.
So from here, let me give you a tour. From here, pupunta tayo sa main door. Okay? That's the bakod, the fence. The fence which is made of old galvanized iron. Right. That's it. Buko. There's Jakey. I should pause it now before it reaches 10.